Cat Mange and Scabies, symptoms, causes, and treatments. What every cat owner needs to know. Is your cat scratching non-stop, losing fur, or developing scabs? They could be suffering from mange or scabious skin conditions caused by pesky mites. In this video, we'll break down everything you need to know about cat mange and scabies, including symptoms, causes, and effective treatments. Let's help your furry friend feel better fast. What are mange and scabies? Mange, a skin condition caused by mites burrowing into your cat's skin. Demodectic mange, caused by mites that naturally live on your cat's skin but overpopulate due to a weakened immune system. Sarcoptic mange, scabies, highly contagious and intensely itchy, caused by Sarcopt scabiei mites. Symptoms of mange and scabies in cats. Intense itching and scratching. Your cat may scratch, bite, or lick their skin excessively. Hair loss. Patches of fur may fall out, especially around the ears, face, and neck. Redness and inflammation. The skin may appear red, swollen, or irritated. Scabs and sores. Scratching can lead to open sores, scabs, or crusty skin. Thickened skin. Chronic mange can cause the skin to thicken and darken. Behavioral changes. Your cat may become irritable, restless, or lethargic due to discomfort. Causes of mange and scabies. Mite infestation. Mites are the primary cause of both mange and scabies. Weakened immune system. Stress, illness, or poor nutrition can make your cat more susceptible. Contact with infected animals. Scabies is highly contagious and can spread through direct contact. Poor hygiene. Dirty living conditions can increase the risk of mite infestations. How to treat mange and scabies in cats. Visit your vet. A proper diagnosis is essential. Your vet will perform a skin scraping to confirm the presence of mites. Medicated treatments. Topical medications. Special shampoos, dips, or creams to kill mites and soothe the skin. Oral medications. Pills or liquids to target mites from the inside. Injectables. In severe cases, your vet may administer injections. Clean your home. Wash your cat's bedding, toys, and blankets in hot water. Vacuum your home thoroughly to remove mites from the environment. Boost your cat's immune system. Feed your cat a balanced, high-quality diet. Consider supplements like omega-3 fatty acids to support skin health. Prevent reinfestation. Keep your cat away from infected animals. Maintain a clean living environment. What not to do? Don't use dog treatments on your cat, they can be toxic. Don't skip vet visits, mange and scabies can worsen without proper treatment. Conclusion. Mange and scabies can be uncomfortable for your cat, but with the right treatment and care, they'll be back to their happy, healthy selves in no time. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with other cat parents.